Example 3 from lesson 8.3. Now we're actually going to find the partial fraction decomposition for this fraction, negative x plus 18 divided by 3x plus 1 over x plus 4. Fortunately, we had already set up or gotten a setup for it. Okay, so we had like a over 3x plus 1 plus b over x plus 4. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a common denominator here, and I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to have a times x plus 4 plus b times the 3x plus 1, and all of this is going to be divided by the denominator, 3x plus 1 equal to times x plus 4. And this is equal to the fraction negative x plus 18 divided by 3x plus 1 times x plus 4. Now, what we can do now that we see we have two equal fractions, they have the same denominator, we can drop the denominators off of there. So we got negative x plus 18 equal to a times x plus 4 plus b times 3x plus 1. Alright, so now I am going to distribute the a into the parentheses and the b into the parentheses, and that's going to give me negative x plus 18 is equal to ax plus 4a plus 3bx plus b. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange the terms over here so that the x terms are together and then the constant terms are together. So we're going to have negative x plus 18 is equal to ax plus 3bx plus 4a plus b. Now, in order for these two to be equal to each other, that means that these two terms combined, since they both have an x, have to be equal to, this term right here, and then these two terms right here combined are going to have to be equal to this one right here. So what that's going to give me is negative x is equal to ax plus 3bx and 18 is equal to 4a plus b. And since these are all the x terms, I can create a system of equations with just the coefficients. So negative 1 is equal to a plus 3b, and then 18 is equal to 4a plus b. And now we can use elimination or substitution to solve this. I think I am going to use elimination. So I am going to multiply the top one by negative 4. This is going to give me positive 4 equal to negative 4a minus 12b. All right. When we add these together, 18 plus 4 is going to give me 22. The a's will cancel, and then positive b and negative 12b is going to give me negative 11b. So if we divide by negative 11, we find out that b is equal to negative 2. And now I'm going to take that negative 2 and I'm going to plug it into the top equation or to the second one right here. And I think I'm going to use the top one because it has smaller numbers to it. So we've got negative 1 equal to a plus 3 times negative 2. So negative 1 is equal to a minus 6. And when I add that 6 to the other side over here, I find out that a is equal to 5. And so I can rewrite my fractions right here as 5 divided by 3x plus 1 plus negative 2 divided by x plus 4. Or we could put a minus in here and make that into a positive 2. Either one of those is going to be okay. But this is the two fractions that I would have to combine to get this fraction right here.